No. Again, it's not showing your video. Yes, now I can see you.
Okay.
Yes.
I think there is any network issue.
Yeah. I think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So very long time I can say you are waiting for you. After 1 or 2 week, I can 2 week maybe. Yes.
Yeah, actually, I was off somewhere, so that's why I was not able to contact you.
Okay, no problem. So I just introduce myself so we can proceed further. Okay. So my name is Sonam, and I live in Mumbai. And presently, I am doing a job as an account assistant in a pharmaceutical company. And along with my job, and I'm doing my MBA also. My final year is MBA is going on. Uh, that's it. And nowadays, I'm practicing in my English. Like I want to do a job in MNC company. That is why I just practice my English with a different people like you and a different country, like that kind of people I interact with and improve my English. So
Okay,
this is
that's a
my
great
intro.
way to learn a new language. That's a great way.
Yes. So that
But
is why
why
I just
you just
eagerly.
this way? That like you could have learned this. There are many other ways also. So why did you choose to start your own YouTube channel? What drive you?
No, ma'am. Actually, it's not my like a YouTube channel because before this, now I was in using the Clappingo app because there in there I get a video like our teaching whatever they teach their video given me after the uh, after my session is over. They will provide me video. So that video I just uploaded my YouTube. The only you can say for my memory purpose. That's why I just uploaded, not any thinking for like a YouTube channel create and like this. So after that, people are like my video, like my clapping go video, and they start liking my everything in my video, whatever I'm doing. So after that, the people are appreciating me, like interacting with me also, and nowadays connecting with me also. So that is why, and that time I find the person also to connect with me, like practice with English because. As you know how much I can pay like a clapping is a very costly I can say. So that is why I just want after 1 month I'm using the 1 month clappingo, and after that I just used to this things to like practice my English.
All right. So that was just a random beginning of your channel.
Yes. I'm not planned anything about this.
All right. That's very great. You didn't plan anything and you just ended up with a new channel. And I think how many
Yes,
subscribers do you have right now?
it's presently is a 427.
Okay. And how
It's
long have you
only
been
on
uploading?
only 2 months in March month. I started in March month.
Oh, that's very great.
It's a very short time, but yeah. And why I'm interacting with you because I was watch a lot of video years, and when you are speaking with someone, you feel like a very relaxed, sitting in relaxed and very freely talking like somebody like you not like a feel that like you don't face like any problem of speak when you speak in English. So that way I like in your like when you speaking, so that is why I attract you more. So how I also observe all the time whenever I watch your video, I
Thank you so
implement
much.
in
That's a
my
big
video.
compliment for me, actually. That's a
No,
big
no,
compliment for me.
seriously.
And people like
Yes.
you really motivates me, like that motivate me to make more and more videos. Thank you so much for your kind words and motivational words. Thank you so much.
Yes, it's my pleasure. I seriously, I just thinking
Oh
you are
no, no, no,
giving
no.
me chance
I'm
to
not
or
that
not
much kind
because
of big YouTuber. I'm just very small girl, not that kind of big one.
no, because I just like your like when you speak your English now, I like the way you speak. That is why I just eagerly waiting. I can say eagerly waiting when I should connect with you, and that's one conversation with you, and you find my mistake something and just improve something in my
Oh,
English.
that's pleasure for me actually.
Yes, yes. So yes,
So how do you practice? I think you should work on your grammar, don't you?
yes, yes, ma'am. Actually, yes, you're saying correct because I can speak, but I make a lot of mistake in my grammar part. Because when I'm going to speak now, I never think not thinking too much in my grammar. I just speak whatever is coming in my mind. I just
Oh, that's
speak
very
that.
great. You should start speaking whatever is coming in your mind. Grammar doesn't matter, but we cannot deny it completely. We should
Yes,
at least should learn the basic things of grammar. Like if I talk about you, you are making so many mistakes. Like you are mixing up the tenses and like the verb forms of grammar. Basically, the problem is with tense, I think. There is nothing
yes.
else. Here, I'm not, I don't want to put you down. I'm just
No,
telling
no,
you
no,
what
no,
you
no,
can
no.
improve.
No, no. I really, I know what I'm doing. What I'm doing in my like a mistake in English. So that's why I was not thinking. Okay, I'm doing a mistake in grammar.
So
I'm
I still
mistaking
think
this.
we are learning a new
Yes,
language. It's not our mother tongue. So obviously we would make mistakes and we can improve. The best thing that you are confident and you can speak very well. Mistakes doesn't matter. We can improve it.
yes, yes. That is why I just started. Let's see. Actually, you can say only the 2 months.
Yeah.
Before this 2 months, now I can not speak a single word like in this way. I started fumbling and all that. When you watch my first video, go to my YouTube channel with Divyam Jain, and I started fumbling. I could not speak one sentence in a proper way, and I could not like a eye contact with him. That's a problem. And nowadays, now this time you can see how much like I can improve
Yeah, you
this.
are fully confident.
Yes, that is the
Yeah.
difference because yeah, this thing I got. So I think after that I will all these things easily got get. Yes,
Yeah, definitely. And Clampingo is a great place to learn English actually because they correct you at every step.
yes, yes. That is why I like this platform more because when you're going for the Cambly is a very costly. I can say.
It's
Uh,
not all about the cost, but on Cambly, I have used Cambly, but the difference between Cambly and Clappingo, on Cambly you just can get experience and you can just remove your hesitation. Okay, if you are making any grammatical mistake or any kind of mistake, they are not going to stop you. They are not going to make you correct. But here Clappingo, the advantage is that they people correct you at every step. They tell you that you can replace a simple ordinary sentence with the advanced one. That is
yes.
the advancement, or you can say that that is the better thing about clapping, what I found.
Yes, yes, yes. This is why I was not going to Cambly also because there is only a speaker, only conversation, not any mistake correct. If I'm the Hindi person, if I'm speaking I could not explain in English something I want to explain
Yeah,
Hindi, and they will not understand me. And in this clapping, if I want to explain in Hindi, I can explain in Hindi. They will correct me. Okay, you can say in this way, so this is the good thing in the clapping go.
yeah, that's very great. And the most important thing that Clappingo is an Indian app. No,
Yeah, most of the people actually, now most of my subscriber is out of India, and they were wanting join the clapping go, but clapping go is only the
yeah,
Indian
Clappingo
people can.
doesn't work outside of India. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So I just say, oh, you just come in India, then you use this because this is only the Indian app.
Yeah, that is the only disadvantage about Clappingo. Otherwise, Clappingo is just fantastic app.
Yes, yes, yes. And what's your like a favorite tutor in this platform?
About learning English.
Yes, yes. No, no. In Clappingo, who is the best? You
In
can. It's
Clappingo,
my
yeah,
best.
Akila.
Yes.
Akila is my favorite one.
Okay.
I really enjoy talking to her because the way she talks is very, she makes every session very, live. Like she has so much enthusiasm and she talks very lively. So there
Yes.
is no kind of like you are having a formal session. She's an amazing lady. I always enjoy her session.
Yes, yes. Actually, I just take one session with Akila ma'am, and actually the in that in this session now I was actually she is speaking very fast. Sometimes I couldn't understand what she say. Like she's telling me, I couldn't understand. So I just saying, ma'am, please could you please speak slowly so that I can understand you because they speak very fast because they actually I can say the very fluent in English. That is why she speaks so fast. But because of that, I couldn't understand a
Because of
single
her
word
accent, I think
sometimes.
she has a very American accent. Like I don't know American or
Yes, yes,
British, but that's why
yes,
that may be the reason you didn't understand her. Otherwise, she speaks
yes.
very
Yeah,
spontaneously,
yeah.
and she speaks slowly. And I don't know, but I like her a lot.
Yes, yes. I also like her because that's why I selecting because it's my fault. I can say it's my fault. I can't understand her. That is why. But I like Akhila ma'am and I like more Divyam Jain because I uh, the more session with him Divyam Jain because he is a very friendly like when we connect with her now it's not look like he's like a something teacher and kind of thing sitting in front of you just like that. That is why I just like the Divyam Jain more.
Okay, it's our personal choice. But I had only one session with Divyam Jain, and that was, I think, the first one session. That was introductory session only.
Okay.
But yeah, I experienced my experience with him was also fantastic. He's also a great, I can say, instructor or trainer.
Yes, yes, yes. So ma'am I just want to know because you are English teacher also. I heard in your video. So now like you are English teacher, so why you like taking this platform for like improving your English or something learning in your English?
Because I'm an English teacher, so I supposed to be perfect in every aspect. Are you offline?
Hello.
Yeah, your video is not there.
Actually, just
Nice.
someone one call is coming there. That is why.
I'm learning this language just to improve myself. As you know that I'm an English teacher and I'm supposed to be perfect in every aspect. In speaking, in grammar, in reading, in every aspect. So that's why I decided to improve myself. That's why I'm here.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that is why I was thinking the ma'am. Are you are very fluent person I can say in speaking and you have like a great knowledge of the vocabulary in the English also. So why
So
you
it's
like
very
a
different. People ask me this question very frequently. I'm an English teacher and still I'm here. Why I'm wasting my time? Many people ask me, but it's very different when you are in the classroom and when you are outside of the classroom. The situation is very different. When you are in the classroom, you are teaching the students. There are only certain phrases or certain sentences that you need to use in your classroom. But outside, it's totally changed. It completely changed. So you need to improve yourself. If you are a teacher, then obviously I'm supposed to be perfect. Not perfect, I can't say, but I need to better. I need to improve myself every day.
yes, yes, that's a very
And i
good like
love and
you
i love
want.
to improve myself.
Yes, yes, because I can say the learning cannot stop in our
Never can.
entire
It
life.
never can stop. Never can stop.
Yes, 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 yes. That's the thing I like in your side. Like you now starting or like a learning, like you are very good in English. So because if I'm in your place, I can't do this because I know okay
Oh,
I'm very good in English. So how why I'm going
no,
because
no,
it's
no.
I can say it's my requirement. That is why I'm learning the English because of my English not good. That's why I can't get a good job. That is my most requirement for learning the English. Otherwise, I will not thinking why I'm like speaking in English. Hindi is our like native language. We can work in Hindi also. So yes, now it's my requirement to learning the English.
Definitely Hindi is your mother tongue, but
Yes.
I was always passionate about English. Like English is like a dream for me. I was like since my childhood, I am very passionate about English. And in my school times also, I was like very good at English actually. So
Okay. So
since
you are in
beginning, it's
English
my
medium?
interest.
You are in English
No,
medium?
no,
Okay.
my whole study was done in completely Hindi medium.
Okay. And now you speak in like a very fluently. How it's possible?
And uh, the whole education was done in a government school actually, in a village.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after that, like in your you are in English like a Hindi medium school, like a 10th standard is your Hindi, and after like your college
The
is all
complete
in English.
education, my 12th standard and my graduation and my post graduation, everything. No, post graduation I did in English, but the till to my graduation time I just did it in Hindi. There
Oh
was
my
no touch
God,
of English actually.
really? And like you are very speak very fluently. Seriously, I was like only the 10th class I was in Hindi medium, but after that my 11, my graduation, my post graduation, and now that my MBA is also I done in all in English, but still I am just facing the problem in English because I can say I am not speaking in English more. That is the problem.
The
Because, but I
problem
have
is
like
we face this problem because in schools English is taught as a subject, not as a language actually.
yes.
Nobody focus in our speaking skills. So that's why we are facing this problem.
Yes, yes. So, yeah, I want to know like what I should do for like I can improve more my English in a very short time. I want to do this.
See, whatever I have observed in you, you are fluent and you do not struggle with the words and sentences. You can speak very well and you are confident. But the only problem that I found is about like little bit only grammar. Just just learn the tenses,
Okay.
practice tenses, whatever. Like you can practice separately each the tenses. Like first you can practice with the present tense. Second, you can practice with the past tense and then the future tense. You just mix up the tenses. That's it. That's the whole only thing that I found about you.
Okay, okay. So yes, yeah. Actually, I know this thing, but like how this thing I can improve. What the way? Like you saying, like you just try to present and past and future tense. Like we use this word and like reading this kind of sentence and word.
Reading can help you a lot, but whatever what I suggest to my subscribers, writing can help you immensely. Start writing every day. At least write a page every day. It will help you. Really, it will help you a lot.
Okay, so I will try to this thing. So I was thinking I will improve myself
Yeah.
because
And with your tutors also, like on
yes,
Clappingo, you can ask them to talk in a certain tense. If you're practicing about the past tense, then you can ask her to give you a situation where you can speak about the past tense. Because the major problem with you is in the past tense. You use present tense whenever you have to use about the past tense. So you can use
yes,
the
yes,
practice with the past tense.
yes, yes. Akila ma'am is also telling me your present is good and past tense is very bad. I can say because whenever I was speaking, because every time we like think about in present tense, not in past tense. That is why in our mind is also like
It's
present
okay.
tense
It's
word is
okay. That's
coming.
that's very normal. Very normal.
Yes, yes.
The major
Okay.
problem with the people is like they struggle for the word, they struggle for the sentence, they struggle to make the correct sentence. But that problem is not with you. The only problem is tense, and that you can get rid of very easily.
Yes, yes, I will be try for this and hope so it will be fine. Improve in my conversation after the some time. Okay,
Definitely, you can improve. If you have passion, then definitely you can improve.
okay, okay, man. Thank you so much for advising me and correcting me also. So yes, and I will very, very I can say thank you to say you are
Oh,
connecting with me and
no,
like
no, no.
giving because
No, there is
you
no need
don't
to show this gratitude
See,
actually.
see,
It's
no, no,
okay.
no, because it's my like I can say when I should connect with you. Like
No,
you
no,
can
please.
imagine
No.
2 week. No, 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 2 week. I'm waiting for you because when I connect
These
with
words
you,
are
to
very heavy for me, please. It's very heavy for me. I cannot bear this burden. I'm not that much big. I'm very common, normal, very small girl. Not.
Yeah, that is why you are. I like you.
Thank
Okay,
you so much.
so okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
then do you have any other question?
No, 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 ma'am. Not any other questions. I know you have a lot of work. You are like a housewife also and the mother also. So I can understand you all the manage the thing. So you giving me your pleasure time. I can say it's
Okay,
a
then.
good for.
Thank you so
Okay.
much. See you soon. Bye
Thank.
bye. Take care.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, bye, bye.